Well, all right, guys, I'm on my truck this morning, and I'm firing her up, and she's throwing white smoke, but she's not kicking off, and it's barely even cool, you know, probably upper 50s this morning. So because we're getting white smoke out the stacks, I'm pretty sure we're getting H-pop pressure, and I'm pretty sure we're getting fuel. So my sneaking suspicion is the glow plug relay. So let's get up here. This is key off right now. I'm going to show y'all with this power probe. Now the little light on here is going to glow green if it's a ground, or red, and I'm not sending any power to it while it's connected to the PCM. I'm just test lighting it. So this one should be hot all the time, and you can see the red light coming on. All right, this one should be the hot coming from the key, but I'm getting a green, so this is going to be a green as well, but this is the ground. I already kind of know that from fooling with this in the past. And of course this is going to be green as well because it's off right now, the downstream side. So we're going to go cycle the key, and while it's actually doing something, we're going to reprobe these and see what happens. So right now we got hot, neutral, or ground, ground, and ground. So let's cycle the key and see what we get. All right, we're back. Let's see what we got. We're still hot on the incoming hot. We're still getting green on the downstream, so it's not hot. The signal wire is hot, and the ground is grounding. So with the two, with this hot and this ground, this electromagnet should be closed. And that should be sending hot voltage from here to here, but we're not getting it. So it appears that the computer's doing its thing, but we're just not getting a connection through here. So we're going to loosen this up and inspect it a little bit and see if we got a bad relay. All right, guys, I got the negatives on both batteries disconnected. I went ahead and pulled all of our top end bolts, and I'm pulling the mounts right now. We're going to get this relay out of here where we can test it. And just FYI, I'm using this on the electric ratchet on the mounting bolts, but I use my little 1/4 inch on tops just to be gentle with them. All right, so we're gonna get this out where we can test this. All right, so we got the power probe hooked up to the battery. We got our ground right here, and we can send power through the power probe. All right, so that's activating, so we may just have to clean some contacts, but that's tripping. You know, we weren't hearing this click earlier. So sending power, it's clicking, so that's should be good. I'm gonna clean the contacts and make sure that we got everything over there. Let me get a wire brush. All right, so I'm wondering why it's test lighting good and we're not getting a good contact here. So I'm gonna hit my brush with a little contact cleaner spray, and we're gonna brush all of these down. I'm not gonna sit here and video the whole thing, but we're just gonna shine all these up real good and make sure that we don't have any crud or, you know, anything giving us a bad contact. That might have been a problem. And so let me get these shined up. I'm not gonna make y'all watch that, and we'll see if that fixes our problem. All right, enough of this little brush stuff. We up in our game and adding a little more horsepower to it. Alright, so we got all of that done. Let me get the relay, clean it up. Alright, let's get this relay back on here. Let me clean that base a little bit. Okay. Let's see. Need these two. Yeah, so hopefully we just have bad contacts, but it seems like we're getting hot signal and ground signal. You know, hot here, ground here for the activation, and that's what's happening on the relay side. You know, I mean, let me see. Let me get my probe again and just double check. So we put the ground on this side. Oh, if we can get it to stay on there. And then we'll put the power probe here and activate it. Okay, so it's making it click. We gotta get the computer to make it click though. All right, let's tighten this up. Okay, I'll check that, double check that rather, by hand. Yep, all right. So, we got this single hot sensor here. And I need a little tiny lock washer. Surprised that's even still here. We usually don't stay around. They always end up in the truck somewhere. Fall in the valley or some foolishness. Okay. So we put our other small one on the back. Hopefully this lighting is good, guys. It's got some morning sun in here, so I can't really tell from the screen if y'all are seeing it good, but anyway, it's not that complex of a situation here. Okay, we'll swap back to our bigger socket. Alright, so we have these two on this one. And this big boy, battery hot on that one. Okay, so we're gonna snug those down. Okay, now let's see what we got. We'll go back with the power probe. And again, we're watching right here. Let me pick this up just a little bit. So that's giving me a red. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's a red. That's Now what's going on? Now everything's testing hot. What the hell is the deal? Oh, I know what it is. Duh, we got our batteries unhooked. So the only thing we got is a hot. And I forgot that we unhooked that. So let's put our... And let me turn the key off. Alright, let's try this again. Okay. Let me hook the power probe back up. Alright, we're gonna go there. Getting in a hurry this morning, not paying attention. Okay, so we got one battery hooked up. Alright, so we got our red light here. We got a green here. We got green here, and we got green there. Okay, so if we got it right, we should just cycle the key and get a couple of more reds. So the main red that I'm after is that other big post to know that this kicked in. Y'all might have heard it. Okay, so we got a red here. And we got a green there. And why are we not getting this thing to click? Okay guys, I got the relay rehooked up here. So I got my own meter. Y'all can see the numbers. If the numbers change, let me show you. I don't know if the beep is going to come out, but you'll be able to see the numbers. Right now it's an open circuit. So I got the ground from the power probe here, and the power probe touching the start side where I can send juice, and you can hear it click. But we're not getting any reading up here on the meter. Let me re-grab. I got too many irons in the fire here this morning. And I mean, you can, just to see, we'll take this and jump. So we're getting a beep and we're getting continuity. So if you jump these, that's working. But when you try and jump it from the internals by sending power, we're not getting anything. So time to get another relay and see if that does anything. Alright guys, so let's try this again. Get this where y'all maybe can see it. Alright. So again, power probe on the ground on the small post, hot on this one, and continuity there. And I guess y'all can make out the numbers. Let me see which way is better. All right, there we go. So you can see we got open circuit now. So let's see what we get. All right, so it's slamming. We're getting tone and we're getting continuity. All right, so it looks like the parts trucks have paid off again. We're back in business. So let me get a camera moved and we'll try this on there and see if she works. All right, we got everything kind of hand tight on there. Let's snug it down. Swap. I'm not gonna run those down with the impact, but we're gonna check these, make sure the hold downs are good, then we can all right. Get the big ones done, and we'll give her another test out here, see what she does. See if she's feeling happier. Now, let's hook the battery back up. We're gonna cycle the key. Let's see what we got now. All right, come here. All right, we got a red. Let's see if that's coming out on camera. Come here, screen. All right, so we got red, and this is red, and this is green. So now we show we jumping fire from here to here, so everything should be good. So we're gonna get everything out the way and hook up both batteries and give her a test fire. All right, well, let's see if she's happy now. Alright guys, well, that's how I do a glow plug relay, to test it and change it out. So hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see y'all on the next one.